Hello everyone, this is Asim and welcome to my channel Cyntax Error. In this video we are going to see comments in C programming language. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First thing, for the people who are not from IT background, these comments are not the comments which we give on a social media. Okay, so let's start. Let me close this extra tabs and decrease the font size. Okay, so I'll just delete all these things so we can start from scratch. Yes, let's start. I think this video is going to be the shortest video in this C programming tutorial, so I won't be taking much time because this topic is going to be the easiest one and a simple one. So in comments means, like, suppose you're working on a project, okay, so you won't be just printing hello world or something. Your project is going to be a big project and a real one with lot many features, and there will be hundreds or thousands lines of codes. So to follow up with things like what a particular line of code does, okay, means if someone sees your code, then he or she should understand what this particular line of code does. Okay, then if you want to implement something or want to keep a note of something to add or delete, then these comments are useful. Take a note that comments are not executed while running the code or compiling the code. It is treated like it doesn't exist. So there are two types of comments. First is single line comment and the other one is multi-line comment. As with the name, it is clear that what this both comment does. I'll just move forward and I'll show you how you can write a single line comment and a multi-line comment. Okay, so first I'll show you how a single line comment is written. Okay, so suppose you want to show someone that or make someone understand that this is an header file. Okay, so a single line comment will be written as double slash and whatever comment you want to put. So whatever is after double slash is treated as a comment. Okay, so you might have been noticing that the color also got changed. Did you see that? Okay, it became little lightest. Okay, so single line comment means you have to write it on a single line, okay, or else it won't be treated as a comment if you go in the next line as well. Just now I just showed you all. Okay, so this is what a single line comment means. So let me show you how a multi-line comment, like what is a multi-line comment. So multi-line comments, like the procedure is slash, star, star and slash. Okay, so it is not called star for your information. Actually I just said that because more of the people say it. So it is called an asterisk. Okay, so whatever things comes between this is treated as a comment. So if you can see, whatever comes between slash, asterisk, okay, whatever comes in between that, it's treated as a comment. So there are two examples. There is a single line comment and a multi-line comment. So let me just run and compile and run the code for y'all. So as you can see, the hello world got executed, and after that 3 line didn't got executed. Even the 35 got executed, and A and that hi WhatsApp also got executed. Okay, so as I said, comments are treated like it doesn't exist. Okay, it's only for our reference, so we can just see what a particular line of code does, or if we want some improvements to be done, or a note to be kept. Okay, so there are two examples. As you can see, there was single line comment and a multi-line comment. Okay, so that's all for today's video, guys. I hope you did like the video. If you did, please like, share with your friends, and do subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, please comment down below and I will try to answer them. Thank you so much. Have a good day. Happy programming.